What's new in CAMWORKS 2026? New for CAMWORKS 2026, support for Swiss machining. HCL CAMWORKS now provides Swiss machining functionality in the Turning Premium and Ultimate products with a user-friendly approach and powerful automation technologies. CAMWORKS Swiss machining supports industry-standard Swiss machine types and configurations, including machines with main and sub-spindles, gang slides, turrets, and end and back working tool posts. CAMWORKS Swiss machining also supports true G-code machine simulation with virtual machine to prove out part programs, eliminate dry runs, and avoid costly collisions.